Hello, welcome to Ted and His Hen, another Little Pine education story, the best phonics stories ever, Level B, number 10. Take a look at this picture. Where does this story happen? That's called the setting. First, let's preview the short E words: Ted, Meg, red, hen, peck, bell, get, went, pen, nest, egg, and the challenge word, cluck. Ted went to see his red hen. Her name is Meg. Meg likes to peck, peck, peck. She pecks on a bell when she wants to get fed. Meg went cluck, cluck, cluck. Meg went in her pen. Ted went in her pen. There was an egg in her nest. Ted said, "You are a good hen, Meg." That's the end. I hope to see you again next time. Bye-bye.